Welcome to our Piping Engineering YouTube channel. We're thrilled to bring you educational videos about piping. First, we want to sincerely thank all our subscribers for their support in helping our channel grow. For even better and more in-depth content, be sure to check out our channel's feature packages. In today's video, you'll learn how to read piping isometric drawings and discover a simple method for bending wires. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button below to stay updated with all our latest videos. Now, let's dive into today's lesson. This is the pipe isometric drawing. Every pipe drawing has such a sketch. This indicates the directions. By studying these directions, we can easily read any pipe isometrics. There are 6 directions here. N stands for north. S stands for south. E stands for east. W stands for west. Up stands for up. Down stands for down directions. This is the list of materials for fabrication. This pipeline consists of one spool only. Let's learn the materials which used in the pipeline. Detail number 1 was used in several places in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The item number 1, pipe, 0.625 inch i.e. 15.9 wall thickness, the material is carbon steel, the size is 3 inch, total length used 5 meters. Detail number 2 was used in 2 places in the pipe drawing. Let's look at the material list. The item number 2, elbow 90 degree, long radius, 0.625 inch i.e. 15.9 wall thickness, the size is 3 inch, the material is carbon steel, the quantity is 2 pieces. Detail number 3 was used in 2 places in the pipe drawing. The item number 3, elbow 45 degree, long radius, 0.625 inch i.e. 15.9 wall thickness, the size is 3 inch, the material is carbon steel, the quantity is 2 pieces. Detail number 4 was used in 2 places also in the pipe drawing. The item number 4, Galperti standard hub flange, 0.625 inch wall thickness, low temperature carbon steel material. The quantity is 2 pieces. Let's try to read this pipe isometric using these directions. We will start reading the piping isometric from this point because the direction of the arrow on the pipe drawing is in this direction. The pipe travels start from this point to the downward. Then the pipeline travels to the east direction. Then the pipeline travels to the north direction. When reading the drawing, you need to pay attention to the directions. There are 45-degree elbows here in 2 places. Therefore, the pipeline moves first down along the dashed lines 400 mm and then to the north along the dashed line 400 mm, in 45-degree angle. Then, the pipeline travel then continues to the north. The pipeline travel then continues to the northward. So, the correct reading of the pipe drawing is completed. Now let's bend the wire according to the rule we learned. This is our wire, the sketch showing these directions. This is the pipe isometric drawing. With the help of this sketch, let's bend the wire of the pipeline. Then the wire bending first to the east. Then the wire bending to the north direction. Then wire bent first to downward, then to northwards approximately under 45 degrees. Then the wire continues to the north direction. The wire bending is complete. Let's look at the 3D model view of this pipeline. The 3D view of pipeline helps us understand pipeline isometry more easily. This educational video is coming to an end. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. By becoming a channel member, you'll be supporting our work and gaining access to exclusive perks. A big thank you in advance to everyone who leaves a comment or a like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.